Did you say just kidding. Better gotta stay by the cone. Can't go any farther than the cone.
Hey, you alright, bud?
Is he okay? Good job, buddy. Good job, Carly. You got a cramp? You all right? Can you breathe? It is. Yeah, Carly.
See, all the rest of them are back there.
Carly's the first one done.